What do you usually do when you experience a drone crash? Alcheman 3D printer has a solution. Rapid prototyping. Easy to replace. Lightweight. High intensity, high quality price ratio.